Welcome to Complex World again. Let's look at the complex multiplication or taking product of two complex numbers. Say you have two complex numbers a and bi. This is the first complex number and another complex number, that's x plus yi, and you want to take product of these two numbers. Then how do you do that? It is also quite simple. All you have to do is remember that I square, that's -1. If you remember this, everything is quite simple. Let's work it out. All you have to do is use your basic algebra skills. That would be a times x at yi, and that would be bi times x at yi. As simple as this. And that would be a times x and ay times I and bx times I and by times I square. All you have to do is remember the I square is -1, so that would be ax. I will take this out in the front and take note that this is -1. That would be ax minus by. Remember this is where many students make mistakes, and I don't want you to do that. Everything else is quite simple. That would be ay and bx. I'm taking these two terms times I. This is the real part, this is the imaginary part. This is how you perform complex multiplication or taking product of two complex numbers. Let's try real life examples. Well, you won't find complex numbers hanging around in the world. I'm just joking. Let's try some examples. One at I times 1 minus I. That would be 1 times 1 minus I minus I times 1 at I add I times 1 minus I. If you do this, 1 minus I add I minus I squared, and this is -1, so that would be +1. Negative of -1, that's +1. Add these two, 2 minus it would just be 2, and these two cancel. Let's look at another example. 4 and 3i times 2 minus 2i. Let me change the color. What would that be? You could pause the video and try it on your own. Let's try it. 4 times 2 minus 2i and 3i times 2 minus 2i, and this would be 8 minus 8i, that would be 6i, and that would be minus 6i squared. I square is -1, remember this, I'm writing it again, and that would be 8 at 6, 14, and negative add and +6 minus 2i. Try this one. 4 minus 3i times 4 plus 3i. All the rules in algebra are also true in terms of complex numbers. A minus b times a plus b. You could write that as, let me write the a minus b times a plus b. You could write that as a square minus b square. So it should be, change the color again, it should be 16 4 square. Let me write 4 square for the sake of easiness. 4 square minus 3i whole square that would be 16. That would be 9i square. I square is negative 1, so that would be negative 9. And 16 and 9, that's 25. So this is how you times complex numbers. So complex numbers is easy. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.